Greetings, YouTube, and I'm back with that cool dog. We've been hearing some strange, weird, whistly sounds this morning. Don't know what they are. Hopefully they'll repeat. I done caught them on a short. I'll put that short up right before I put this video up. Cool dog is intense this morning. Well, if you like strange sounds, there goes three of them. And here comes a giant helicopter. Because you know that motherfucker knows I'm making a video. I don't know if you can hear the strange little whiny sound in the background. It seems like it's a little ways off, but the whistling sound had not repeated since I made the short earlier. But we'll be back if we hear anything else strange and weird. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for that cool dog.